Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Bump app. First, download and install the Bump app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After the installation is complete, open the app on your phone. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to enter your details. Start by typing your first name and last name. Then enter your age in the given field. Next, enter your mobile number carefully. After you submit it, the app will send a verification code to your WhatsApp on that same number. Open WhatsApp, copy or note the code, then return to the app and enter it to verify your account. After verification, the app will ask for permissions such as contacts and location access. Allow these permissions because they are required for the app to work properly. Once this is done, the app will generate a personal invite link. You can copy this link and share it with your friends to invite them to join you on Bump. After that, the app may suggest adding friends or people you may know from your contacts or nearby area. You can add them or skip these steps if you want. Now you will reach the main interface. Here you will see a map where you can view your friends' real-time locations and chat with them. There is also a chat section where you can see all your past conversations. Finally, the Places section lets you explore nearby cafes, hotels, and other spots. You can also save your favorite places for easy access later. That is how you use the Bump app. Thanks for watching.